Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best enclosed 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dremel 3D45. An overall top pick for the best 3D printers already, the Dremel 3D45 is an enclosed printer. And it makes a ton of sense because, as we discussed, the printers that typically benefit the most from being enclosed are also those of the highest quality. This printer regularly tops lists due to its quick setup, high quality, and reliable prints. It can be controlled via the touchscreen, web app, or a USB-connected device. Using its variety of compatible filaments is easy with RFID tagging, which guides the machine into using the best settings for each connected filament type. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of choosing the best 3D printer filaments for your printer. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon Combo 3D printer. As far as commercially available enclosed 3D printers go, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon Combo 3D printer features some of the best technical specs. With a default of 4 filament inputs, it can go up to 16. This printer puts out up to 32 cubic millimeters of filament at a rate of 500 horizontal millimeters per second. This, combined with a great resolution, makes this device high-powered, technically sound, and the best 3D printer for cosplay and other hobbies. If you're familiar with entry-level models of 3D printers, you'll certainly be familiar with first layer issues. Sometimes, that first bit of filament just doesn't stick properly or will come out a bit weird. With any luck, on an open printer, you can pull a bad blob of filament away. It's not so easy on an enclosed printer. However, this is not an issue with the Bambu due to an AI-based inspection system that detects problems with the first layer in a calculated manner. At number 3, we have the Monoprice Voxel. If you want the environmental advantages of the best enclosed 3D printers but don't want to splurge on high-end specs, the Monoprice Voxel provides a good middle ground. For example, the hand-holding and restrictions that might be associated with a for kids printer are absent, but features like quick nozzle changes are not. The Monoprice Voxel gives you the room to grow with it, suggesting you start with PLA prints, but comes ready to tackle other projects as well once you get your footing. At number 2, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 3. FlashForge's Adventurer 3 remains one of its top models due to its quick setup time, easy to understand layout, and possibility to use with kids. With more advanced software, it is easy to become overwhelmed, but the FlashForge Adventurer 3 uses highly comprehensible software to promote consistency of results no matter your experience or age. It also contains the all-important HD camera within so that you can get a good look as your prints form. One thing to note is that the FlashForge Adventurer 3 is not the latest model in its line. In some ways, this can be not good, as it recognizes an end to development for the product. However, you can also expect the experience to be complete upon purchase, as its form is still approved by many others. Plus, you'll still have access to lifetime technical support from FlashForge. And finally at number 1, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 4 Pro. Currently, we recognize FlashForge 3D printers as popular, easy-to-use models that produce consistent results. The FlashForge Adventurer 4 Pro is no different, creating at speeds up to 300 mm per second through a 0.4 mm nozzle. The FlashForge Adventurer 4 Pro provides the perfect level of quality for the price. It brings in many features that are effortless to use but inevitably improve the quality of your print. While it only takes 3 points to make a plane, this 3D printer uses a 30-point leveling system automatically. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.